Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this sterling silver cup with the Wright silver cream to achieve a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Wright silver cream and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this sterling silver cup until we remove all the tarnish, and then we're going to grab a spray bottle filled with water to rinse this cup, and then grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe it away to reveal a mirror shine. Wright Silver Cream is an ammonia-free mild cream polish that safely removes heavy tarnish from silver without scratching, while leaving a protective anti-tarnish coating to help the mirror shine last longer. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box, and have a wonderful day.